This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer Bitcoin to a Trezor wallet. Moving your Bitcoin to a hardware wallet like Trezor is a crucial step for enhancing your digital asset security. This process helps protect your funds from online threats and unauthorized access. We will walk through each step, ensuring you can confidently secure your Bitcoin. It's a straightforward method that provides peace of mind for your valuable investments. First, connect your Trezor hardware wallet to your computer using its USB cable. Once connected, you will need to enter your personal identification number, or PIN, directly on the device to unlock it. After your Trezor is unlocked, launch the Trezor Suite application on your computer. This software is your primary interface for managing your cryptocurrency on the device, providing a secure environment for all transactions. Now, within the Trezor Suite, select your Bitcoin account from the dashboard. Look for and click on the Receive tab, which will prompt the generation of a new Bitcoin receiving address. It is absolutely essential to carefully verify this address. Compare the address shown on your computer screen with the one displayed directly on your Trezor device. This crucial step ensures you are sending funds to the correct, secure location. With your Trezor receiving address verified, copy it to your clipboard. Next, navigate to the platform where your Bitcoin is currently stored, whether it is a cryptocurrency exchange or another software wallet. Initiate a send or withdraw transaction, paste the copied Trezor address into the recipient field, and specify the amount of Bitcoin you wish to transfer. Always double-check the address one final time before confirming the transaction to ensure accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.